I've spent 17 years in the HVAC industry, but before I ever touched a residential heat pump, I was a nuclear power electrician. In the Navy, we didn't just fix things. We studied the schematics and the load profiles to ensure 100% reliability. Today, I'm applying that same technical scrutiny to a matchup between two ultimate tier systems, the Armstrong Air Pro Series, A7HP19V, and the Daikin DZ9VC. These are not your basic builder grade units, but the heavy hitters of the ducted split heat pump world. When we look at the cabinet and coil protection, both of these machines are built like tanks. Unlike some mid-range units that leave the outdoor coil exposed to hail and lawn debris with a flimsy wire guard, both the Armstrong Air and the Daikin DZ9VC come standard with true louvered panels. From a field perspective, that is critical because it protects those sensitive aluminum fins from physical impact and keeps the airflow path clear for the long haul. You are getting top tier armor on both units, ensuring the heart of your system is not compromised by a stray rock or a winter storm. Moving into the efficiency and tech, the data tells a very specific story. The Armstrong Air A7HP19V is a powerhouse pulling a 9.5 HSPF2 rating, while the Daikin DZ9VC comes in at an 8.2 HSPF2. Now, as a former nuke electrician, I'm always looking at the electrical footprint. Both of these systems utilize variable speed inverter compressors and variable speed condenser fans. This is a game changer for your electrical panel because they do not have that massive inrush current or the heavy electrical slam you get with a single stage unit. Regarding the price tag, you are looking at a serious investment for this level of technology. On average, the Armstrong Air equipment retails for about $5,165, with a typical professional installation landing around $7,950. The Daikin equipment comes in slightly higher, at a $5,940 average retail, though its estimated installed price is incredibly competitive at $7,830. When you are spending this kind of money, you are buying precision control and long-term energy savings, but the upfront cost is something you have got to weigh against the performance gains. Before we crown a winner, here is a bit of field advice. Even the best inverter system will die an early death if the coil is clogged with cottonwood or dust. Make it a habit to spray down your outdoor unit every spring. Keep the airflow moving or you are just throwing your efficiency out the window. The warranty battle is where one of these brands pulls ahead. Armstrong Air offers a standard 10-year parts and 10-year compressor warranty, which is the industry norm. However, Daikin takes it a step further with a 12-year parts and 12-year compressor warranty. More importantly, the Daikin DZ9VC includes a 12-year unit replacement pledge. If that compressor fails within the first 12 years, they do not just send a new part, they authorize a whole new outdoor unit. That is the kind of redundant safety net we valued in the nuclear sector. The verdict for this matchup goes to the Daikin DZ9VC. While the Armstrong Air has a higher heating efficiency rating in the data, the Daikin's 12-year unit replacement warranty is the ultimate tiebreaker for a homeowner's bottom line. That full unit replacement guarantee is a massive insurance policy that the Armstrong simply does not match. Shop like a pro and check the latest heat pump ratings on hvacforbeginners.com to find the perfect fit for your climate. Before you go, I want to share something important with you. Every month, Enduring Freedom Ministries provides food to over 1,700 people, but a meal is only the first step towards stability. That's why we are building Ezra's Place, a new, tiny home community designed to help families get back on their feet for good. I've started a fundraiser right here on the channel to help. Every dollar you give builds a future. Click the donate button below. Thanks for being part of this project. I'll see you in the next one. I'll see